Palestinian condemns forsaking of Muslims at Al-Aqsa. Turkish Airlines ready to boost tourism in Palestine. Netanyahu's immunity triggers mass protest in Israel. Iraq says stands by Iran against US sanctions. Iran says offered non-aggression pact with Gulf. Larijani re-elected Iran parliament speaker. Regime attacks kill 6 in Syria's de-escalation zones. Turkish university to offer education in North Syria. Head of Sudan's military council visiting UAE. 3 killed in clashes with army in northwest Pakistan. Taliban accused of torturing and killing Afghan detainees. Pakistan PM Khan congratulates Indian Premier Modi.